Hey, what's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Had a customer bring me a 1979 Ford F150. He wanted to make it a daily driver. He wanted it to look good. Engine-wise, it's fine. Drivetrain is fine. Needs a little bit of carburetor work. Other than that, mechanically you're good to go. But the body on this thing is jacked up. Check it out. From front to rear, there's not a panel on this truck that doesn't have something wrong with it, whether it's dented up or rusted slam in half. We'll start with the inside of the truck. Got a nice hole in the floor. How you doing? We're gonna take the inside, fix the hole. We're gonna paint the inside, do the dash for him, get all that done. He's gonna take care of getting his own interior work done, like upholstery and door panels. Looking at the doors, they got your classic holes. We're gonna fix all this. Now on the bed, we're gonna put 2 quarter panels on and the tailgate. They're just too far gone. Looking at the driver's side, on the floorboard, it's just a little hole right there. We'll fix that. This door's got the same rod in it. Believe it or not, overall, truck's in pretty decent shape. All right guys, this is episode 1 of a series of videos that's gonna be dedicated just to this truck. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave comments along the way. I'll try to answer any questions. That's it for this video. Catch you later.